Well, good morning, my cellmates, on this very rainy, wet Saturday morning in Queensland, Australia. We can't complain about the rain because we really need it, and we're on a farm property and we only have water tanks, we don't have mains water, so we rely on the the rainfall. So I'm pretty happy. One thing I want to show you that I am testing out today is this silicone mat instead of the pea pads. Not sure how much I will like. At the moment it's curling up, so I'm having to put a weight on either end to hold it out until it settles. So I'm going to try another swipe today. Go with the trend at the moment, I suppose, because that's what it seems to be. So at first I'm just covering my canvas with the just white paint that I'd previously had. So I'm just gonna, very much that I love using my fingers to paint or to push paint around, but I just thought I'd do this today. Now I've got my gloves that have lasted me, I think I'm on the second week with these now. They're the dishwashing gloves. Not that a lot of people actually know what they are anymore, because everybody has dishwashers, but my mum used to always wear her washing up gloves even years ago to do the dishes, to save her hands from the harsh chemicals of the dishwashing liquid, and just the hands being in water a lot. So I'm trying them instead of using the disposable gloves. And I mean, they seem fine. Because when you finish, you actually just go and wash your hands while you've got the gloves on, and you're cleaning the gloves. You're cleaning the gloves, and then I just take them off, hang them on a peg upside down to dry out. They are better if you put a little bit of talcum powder inside, or powder, whatever you call it. In different countries we call it talcum powder, I think, here. A little bit of baby powder I put inside. Okay, so that's kind of give that a nice coat. Probably need even a little bit more. Don't want to skimp on it. Now the theory is with these silicone mats that the paint gets on them, and as you leave you to dry, then the paint should just peel off the next day. So we will see. But I'm still waiting for some that I ordered over the internet that just come up on my feed when I was on YouTube, but they still haven't come yet. So I'm pretty much thinking that they ripped me off for the money. Now I do still need a little something to wipe my tools off with, which I'll just use a damp cloth for now. So I'm struggling with that everybody seems to find so easy at the moment, just doing like a negative pour across all these ghost ripple platypus wipes, whatever anybody wants to call them. I still haven't got one that I'm really happy with, so I'm just gonna try another one on the diagonal. I'm not going to pour it directly out of my cup because I seem to get way too much, but I probably should use a little cup. Now these are the Mont metallics that I'm using at the moment, as I explain to each and every time, because I get loads of people ask me where do I get it from. In Australia I've got a supplier that's in my drop down box. You will see my Australian supplier there. and in America there is a supplier on Amazon. Somebody did give me the link to it, so if you on my Facebook page, Acrylic Art by Julie Cube, I can give you the link on there too if you're in the US. If you're in the UK, you can get it apparently, but the postage is quite expensive. I'm not sure exactly how much, but so I'm going to try this that Julie did this morning. Julie Cuts, giving it a go, Julie. And of course, to mention Kathleen Osmore, and all the other people that have swiped before them. She's getting a bit crazy, but anyway. You certainly got to have a thick skin if you do any put yourself out there on YouTube. I've learnt that, and so have a lot of others the hard way. Shame, but okay. So that was, what did I use there? I used the copper. Now I'm using bronze. So I've used silver. Oh, see, I think I need to fill syringes up and then squirt it somehow, because this seems a bit of a tedious way for me anyway. I'm not patient, am I? Obviously not. I'm gonna just do a wiggly thing down there. Why, I don't know, because just decided I would. So I'm gonna put some gold on it now. This is the metallic gold. This that I have mixed up is with the just my Elmer's glue and water mix, and in my drop down box you'll have my recipe to how I mix my pouring medium up. And each person always finds their own little way of doing things. No set ways. Nobody holds a rule book over you, or if they do, they shouldn't. Now this is a bit of navy. It looks pretty black, but I made it up as navy, which I prefer to use really dark navies instead of black. So I'm just going to put this on the outside actually. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, that's that. I want to drizzle some more white again down the... Do I? Yeah, I'll just drizzle some white, she said, down the centre. Ooh, okay. Now, I did show you my silicone pastry brushes that I got. Like, I got these in Australia. I got these for $2 from Spotlight. Yesterday I seen them for $1.50 at Kmart. So I might see which what works the nicest is in that the pastry tool or the pieces of card, which have sort of got a bit thicker card cut out different thicknesses, and I'm going to give them a try. So I will see. I'll start in the centre and see how we go. So I need somewhere to pooey. I thought I'd put my cloth on the side there to wipe, just to keep wiping my swipe tool off with, but obviously not. Okay. So this, remember I said, is with the glue all, and is 70% glue all, 30% water. That's my pouring medium. So I haven't used the Floetrol. I'm not sure what everybody's using. I think everybody's different. They do what they like, and you know, that's great. Just put your own spin on it. So I mean, there's so many of these swipes gone up on the everybody, we always have we have phases with different things. A cloud pour, kind of everybody's doing a cloud pour, and then a blow dryer Dutch thing came on. Everybody's doing those, so we all have our times where we all want to have a go at the different styles that are going around the internet at the time. So these are the things. So I'm gonna not usually want to follow the crowd, as you know. I don't do these colours very often, but I'm going to give it a go because I couldn't get anything that I was really happy with of my own in this style. I kept going over them, changing them, ending up pouring over them. So okay, I'll try a thinner one. Just drawing it back. Oh no, I'm not whistling. That little whistle, I should not have done it. The dogs think I'm whistling for them. See how obedient they are? They come on a whistle. I wish my family did that. I'm not whistling, you guys, just whistling because I'm whistling. Okay. Yeah, I don't like straight lines. I like wiggles. I should have done me wiggles. Try small one. Haven't really done much with those ends. Okay, I had somebody say that she can't. I haven't had it for a long time, but somebody said can't hear me. Well, I can hear really. I mean, I'm a deaf person, and wear hearing aids. So from when I was young, so I can hear when I play back on my iPad and iPhone, but I can't hear so much when I play back on my desktop. So the thing was, you just plug it into your speakers. You've got a speaker bud that'll fit in your ear, and you've got a some kind of fitment that you plug it in. I don't know what they're called on the side of your device, and you just plug it into the speaker. Okay, doesn't really float my boat, but yeah, maybe this style's not for me. I don't, not really, it's not really floating my boat. I don't know. So, but thought I had to give it a go. Everybody's doing it. I might give that a hit with the torch and see if it brings up some nicer cells. Maybe I should swipe that white more into the colour. So, oh yeah, okay. That's coming up now. Oh, okay. Oh, not too much, not too much. Oh, always to excess. There you go. Oh well. Not really my thing. Not really. Just giving it a go. I'll go over it again in the places that I'm not too happy chappy with it. And you end up just doing too much. So guys, that is my take on this swipe technique. Let's just call it a flipping swipe technique. Okay, it's swiped there into whatever shape you think. So not too bad, not too good. Not for me anyway. It's not really floating my boat, but a few on my channel have asked me to do it, so there you go. Okay, thanks so much for joining me, and thank you so much for the people that have subscribed and leave me really heartwarming messages and support. I appreciate it beyond belief, and thank you so much. Until my next video, bye for now.